Hello. तो आज के today's safety movement is according to the speed of our fire. In this, we will see how quickly the fire spreads. For this, a sofa has been set on fire in a room. This fire, the purpose of setting it on fire secular is to see what damages occur from the fire and how the fire spreads. One side of the wall of this room has been removed so that it can be filmed. In this, you see that this smoke that has risen. First, the fire started, flame was produced, and after the flame, smoke was generated. The seam of the smoke, it is rising to the upper limit. This means that the smoke is lighter than air. So it is said that wherever there is a fire, if you need to exit and smoke is present, go out from the lower level, move on your knees like a child, which is called baby crawling. This way of exiting is advised. Observe that when the smoke rises, it starts to spread on. The smoke is extremely dangerous. It contains carbon monoxide, acrolein, and many particles that are not completely burnt as fuel, and different things that burn produce different kinds of smoke. In this smoke, there can be extremely dangerous toxic gases, like the foam that we commonly use at home, which is used in sofas and in mattresses. Inside it, this foam is a petroleum product. Acrolein and toxic gases are formed, and if there is no smoke detector in your home, no smoke detector in your vicinity, then the smoke, which is the first indication, smoke, you won't find it. And if you are sleeping or on the upper floors, and when the smoke starts to spread, if you inhale that smoke, the first effect is from carbon monoxide and gases like acrolein, which paralyze you. Your limbs stop functioning. Therefore, immediately you should be aware that there is a fire and you should leave the place before the smoke spreads. And you see that the smoke has spread throughout the room. The fire is on that sofa. The fire hasn't spread to the rest of the room yet, but there is a term known as flash point. Fire point, flag point is where the first spark is produced, but the fire does not fully ignite. Fire point is where the entire fuel starts burning. Smoke itself is a fuel. It has its own flash point and fire point. Now you will see the first spark in the smoke. Look, the first spark has been produced. This means the flash point for the smoke has been reached, and after that the smoke has completely burned. What is this? This is a flash. This is the fire point, and along with this, a flashover occurred, and the fire that was in one sofa spread throughout the house, and the smoke spread first, incapacitating all the people who were sleeping or on the upper floors. They were unable to attempt to escape. Therefore, these 3 minutes are extremely, it is important. You have to get out before it and conduct drills, etc., so that you can stay safe from fire and smoke. Otherwise, there can be a big loss. Thank you.